Every touch we make connects us to Earth. With one touch, we give life, with another, we take it away. We don't just live on this planet, we shape it. Our hands hold the power to destroy or heal. What would we choose? To let our touch harm or to let it heal? The sense touch, also called tactile perception, is one of the five primary senses and allows us to experience the physical world through skin contact. It is primarily processed by a somatosensory system, which includes specialised nerve receptors in the skin, muscles and deeper tissues. The skin contains different types of sensory receptors, for example to detect pressure, vibration and texture, sense temperatures, hot and cold, register pain from injury, and help with body awareness and movement. These receptors send electrical signals through nerves to the spinal cord and then to the brain. The brain processes these signals to identify texture, temperature, pain and pressure, allowing us to react appropriately. Why is touch important? Protection helps detect danger from extreme heat and sharp objects. Communication used in social interactions such as hugs and handshakes. Perception of the environment helps us understand textures, shape and materials. Emotional connection plays a role in bonding and comfort. The sense touch is deeply connected to the environment because it allows us to physically experience the natural world. Our skins interacts with different temperatures, textures and materials, helping us to understand and respond to the environmental changes. Here is how it is linked to the environment, especially in the contents of deforestation and climate change. Feeling the landscape. Through touch we experience the rough bark of a tree, the softness of moss. Deforestation removes trees, changing these natural textures into lifeless land. Temperature, sensation and climate change. In our skin we detect temperature changes, helping us perceive climate change shifts. As deforestation removes tree cover, the land absorbs more heat, leading to rising temperatures and an increased sense of warmth. Air and wind sensation. Trees act as a natural barrier, influencing wind patterns. Without them, strong winds and dust storms become more common. The absence of trees makes the air drier, rougher and more polluted. In a deforested area, people may feel stronger, harsher winds and the rough texture of dust and debris on their skins. Water and humidity. Touch helps sense moisture in the air and soil. Forests help maintain humidity, but when they're cut down, the forest becomes drier. Human connection to nature. Touching trees, soil or water creates a deep physical bond between humans and the earth. When forests disappear, we lose not only biodiversity, but also the sensory connection to nature. How does deforestation affect climate change? Trees absorb carbon dioxide and cutting them releases it. When trees are cut down or burnt, the stored carbon is released back into the air. This contributes to the greenhouse effect, trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming. Loss of trees equals rising global temperatures. Without trees to provide shade and regulate temperatures, deforested land absorbs more heat from the sun. The loss of forests also reduces cloud formation, leading to drier and hotter climates. Disrupted rainfall and increased droughts. Without trees, less moisture reaches their air, leading to less rain and longer droughts, which increases wildfires. Melting ice and rising sea levels. Increased carbon dioxide from deforestation contributes to global warming, causing ice in the Arctic to melt. This leads to rise in sea levels, threatening coastal cities and ecosystems. As humans destroy forests, we're also losing the sensory experiences that connects us to the natural world. The sense touch helps us perceive environmental changes firsthand. making it a crucial part of understanding the impact of deforestation. Number 1. Reforestation, replanting lost forests. People are planting trees in areas where forests were destroyed. Some projects use fast-growing tree species to speed up reforestation. This helps absorb carbon dioxide, improves air quality, and restores wild habitats. Number 2. Sustainable farming and logging. Farmers are using agroforestry, growing crops alongside trees instead of clearing land. Companies are shifting to sustainable logging practices that allows forests to regrow. Number 3. Using recycled and alternative materials. Recycled paper and wood reduce the need to cut down new trees. Bamboo and plant-based plastics are replacing tree-based products. Number 4. Protecting forests and wildlife. Government and activists have created protected forests and national parks. Anti-logging laws help prevent illegal deforestation. Number 5. Consumer action, choosing sustainable products. People are buying eco-friendly products that don't contribute to deforestation, supporting brands that replant trees and use sustainable resources. Conclusion. Reversing deforestation is possible. By planting trees, farming sustainably, recycling, protecting forests, and making better consumer choices, humans are finding ways to make deforestation better. Our hands have the power to change the world. Every touch leaves a mark. For years, our touch has harmed the planet, but what if we could use it to heal? Across the world, people are bringing forests back, planting trees, protecting wildlife, rebuilding what was lost. The future is in our hands. Every tree we plant, every forest we protect, it starts with a single touch.